Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's episode, we're bringing you the ultimate in comfort, style, and performance: the Running Girl High-Impact Molded Cup Sports Bra. If you've been hunting for the best high-impact sports bra that offers molded cup support and a snug racerback fit, look no further. This is the one you've been waiting for. Let's get into the details. The Running Girl Sports Bra is crafted for serious performance. Whether you're sprinting on the track, pushing through a HIIT session, or powering through full-body workouts, this bra is engineered to hold everything in place. Thanks to its molded cup design and strategic racerback structure, you get superior support without sacrificing comfort. Made with a breathable blend of 75% nylon and 25% spandex, it features four-way stretch fabric that moves with you, not against you. From the gym to the street, the naked-feeling fabric delivers that second skin comfort you'll barely notice, perfect for all-day wear. What really makes this bra stand out is its thoughtfully tailored fit. The flat cup lining seams contour around your chest, enhancing your natural shape while providing full coverage. And it's not just functional, it's designed with aesthetics in mind. According to renowned New York fashion designers, the cup structure on this bra highlights and flatters your bust line while still keeping everything securely in place. The wide racerback straps don't just offer a sleek silhouette, they also reduce pressure on your shoulders and back, giving you balanced support throughout any high-impact activity like boxing, running, or strength training. And with its long-line tank top style, it can easily double as a crop top, making it perfect for studio workouts or athleisure outfits. Let's talk about ease of use. This bra features a pull-on closure, making it quick and simple to wear. No fussing with hooks or adjustable straps. It holds its shape after wash, retaining color and structure like a pro. It's machine washable, imported, and built to last. And for those wondering about sizing, there's a full chart available to make sure you get the perfect fit. Just check the product page and select your ideal size before adding to cart. To wrap it up, the Running Girl High-Impact Sports Bra is more than just workout gear. It's a piece of performance fashion. High support, molded cups, breathable material, and sleek styling make it a winner in our books. So, if you're ready to upgrade your activewear and feel fully supported every step of the way, this is the bra to add to your cart right now. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more hands-on reviews. See you in the next one.